How to add friends on Steam without paying. Add friends for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be quickly walking ourselves through adding friends on Steam without paying. So to start things off, if you want to add friends on Steam, you come over here to the community section. We're going to go to friends, and if you click on add a friend, we're going to be able to see that it tells us that we are not eligible to add a friend. Okay, now you can't really add a friend like this. Okay, so if you go on add a friend, you can't add a friend directly, but what you can do is you're gonna send a quick invite. Like you can send a person your friend code, but even if they haven't paid for their account, that will not be able to, they won't be able to add you. But if you come here where it says send a quick invite, this basically generates a link that people can click on, and once they click on this, that will add you as their friend, which is pretty incredible in my opinion. And you can add friends through this, or you can even add friends through Counter-Strike Global Offensive, because that was a glitch that people were using. Basically, you're gonna add the person as a friend in Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and they're gonna be added as your friend in real time, which is pretty incredible. So yeah, that's how you're gonna add friends on Steam. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.